it's so important to allow our nervous system, our mind, our body to connect with our natural state of being, which is peace and harmony. So the way that we do that is we have to stop all the noise. You can program your mind with positive thoughts, affirmations, prayers, mind movies. We want to set intentions in our mind and go over what it is that we want to live and see it and feel it. And then it will integrate more easily into your life. Mind movies, they're a great way to allow your mind to know what you truly want. And when we visualize, our mind doesn't know the difference between it actually happening or not. So you're integrating what you want into your nervous system. And so there's some things that you want to have in place when you are doing these mind movie visualizations. First, you want to look at your desire. Think about what you want to accomplish or what you want to experience. It must be something you really want and it connects to your heart. If you only have a half-hearted desire about achieving a goal, then you probably won't. Make sure whatever you're focusing on brings joy to your heart. This will be a deeper desire. Next, let's focus on the belief. This step is critical to manifestation. You need to believe that you can accomplish this goal, achieve this experience. Even though it might take time or you've never experienced or done this before, you must believe it is possible for you to achieve it. If you set a goal so high that you don't believe you can achieve it, your mind is going to be filled with fears and doubts. And we've all experienced fears and doubts. They create struggle and a back and forth in our head when we're trying to achieve a goal. Choose a goal where you honestly believe you can succeed. Next, we want to focus on expectancy. Expectancy is powerful. You must expect that you will accomplish your goal. It might not happen today, but you must expect that you will eventually succeed and that the ideas that you need will come to you and you will be supported along your path. Your expectation is the link that taps into the limitless power of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind has the power to create in ways that we can't even imagine. And it uses your expectations as the blueprint for what it's going to create. You might not necessarily get exactly what you want, but you'll always get what you expect. Make sure you expect the best. Make sure you expect what you truly want to experience. And don't put any other vibrations that are opposed to that expectation in your thought. You want to stay positive. You must set your goal using a positive statement, no negative. You want to always be moving from a positive statement so that your mind does not get confused. Most people know what they don't want, but they usually don't focus on what they do want. It's important for you to be very clear about what you really want and that you state it in a positive, affirming way. Now, you're going to put all that together and visualize your goal already accomplished, or you having what you want, or you're in the experience and it has already manifested. You will create a scenario in which you are experiencing your goal as if it was already your reality. You imagine what it feels like to have accomplished your goal. You continue using this visualization until you finally achieve your goal. So the key thing here is to see it, to feel it. Who is there? How are you acting? How are they acting? What else is involved? And feel it. Be so grateful for it. Be absorbed into it. Allow it just to integrate into your nervous system. Smile. It's a blessing. You're in it. This allows your subconscious to know this is what you want. Your subconscious mind sends ideas that help support that. It allows you to see through the lens of this is possible for me. Ideas, your attitude, your perceptions will all work together to support this dream manifesting into your experience. You will need to do the 3-2-1, or after you've done the 3-2-1 meditation, you can just do the 3-3-3, 2-2-2, 1, 1, 1. You can also then do the 10 through 1, walking down the stairs, and that will really tap you into your subconscious. And then you need to play your mind movie and feel into it, enjoy and revel in this manifestation. You need to do this 2 or 3 times a week, just reaffirming this in your mind. Plus, it feels amazing. You've accomplished your goal, and this just leads into more and more ideas, and it becomes something that you are really comfortable and familiar with, and it lights you up. This is an extremely powerful tool when you combine the 3, 2, 1, the walking down the stairs, 10 through 1, and then a mind movie that really focuses on your desires, your belief, your expectancy, your positive statements, and you bring that all together to visualize this goal already accomplished, you living it, you enjoying it, and it being a blessing in so many ways. I so want to hear about your mind movie and how things are manifesting in your life. So leave a comment, reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram, direct message. This meditation practice and mind movie have been a blessing and created so many amazing manifestations in my life, and it is something that I use with my clients when they make this a regular part of their lives. It's just such a blessing to see how it uplevels all parts of their life. You are going to just absolutely love the blessings that unfold in your life from these practices. Please share this. The more people that can be touched through meditation, quieting their mind, and visualizing what they want to live, the more we can uplevel our world and bring more blessings and introduce people to a way that can uplevel and bless their lives and everyone around them. I invite you to create some time to quiet your mind and feel into what it is you truly want in life. I have some other videos that are meditation. There's a mind and healing video that I do all the time when I go to sleep. And there's some other videos that are meditations that are coming your way. You're blessed and you are a blessing. Let's live that life.